Last week the world of crypto got shaken pretty hard as Bybit announced that they are halting the services in the UK region, leaving all their investors dusted. But fear not, if problem comes then solution is there for you no matter how hard it is. Today I will show you the best alternative. Announced on their website, on October 1st, new users from UK region are not able to register and create a new account anymore as they suspended the service, and on October 8th, new deposits, new contracts, and modifications to positions for current user in the UK will also be suspended. They also announced that any UK users who have open positions on the futures market right now must close their positions by January 8, 2024. After the cutoff, users' open positions will be liquidated, and the proceeds will be available for withdrawal. Do not be worried crypto users, as Bitget, one of the most secure and versatile exchange to date, with lot of trading volumes flowing into the exchange, is here to be the guardian for all UK users. But why Bitget? The primary reason correlate with today's news, it is still running their services in the UK. Since 2018, they have built an exchange committed to helping users trade smarter by providing a secure, one-stop crypto investment solution. So using Bitget is top-notch choice in my opinion. How specifically should you use the exchange now that I have advised you to use Bitget? The following are the things you must do. Visit Bitget's website and register or log in. After that, look to the top left and deposit by selecting the desired cryptocurrency from the Buy Crypto area. After depositing, you can freely trade on Bitget by selecting spot trading or future trading. You can also look at additional Bitget items that provide you with intriguing chances to increase your earnings from the cryptocurrency market. That's all. Bitget is a great alternative to the exchange that stopped serving UK residents. Additionally, Bitget has a ton of promotions and events planned for all users, including UK users, so they may all trade happily and earn extra incentives. As a result, Bitget is the way to go. That is all for today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's conquer the crypto world together. Remember, trade smart, trade strong, and trade safe with Bitget.